You likely already know how to replace a single list item. In this list of servers, I want to swap a specific entry. I'll target the item in this position, which is index 0 and then index 1. Let's replace this with the backup. We simply refer to the list's index. By targeting index 1, we can override it right here. Simple enough, right? When we run this, you'll see the item has been updated. But what if you need to replace multiple items at once? Do you know the secret? Let's find out. Look at these statuses. Pending, pending, failed, and pending. We want to batch update the statuses from index 1 to. Now, remember, with slicing, the ending index of 3 means Python stops just before that third element. So here's index 0, here is index 1, here is index 2, and here is index 3. The slice ends right before that final position. The number after the colon is our stop position. When we execute this, look at the result. It updated both pending and failed to processed. The first and last pending statuses remain untouched. You might think you can do this using standard indexing, by just assigning a new list to a single index. Let's try that. I'll add a list here containing version 2. Wait, this won't work as you expect. Compare our previous result to what we have now. Can you see the difference? It nested a list inside our list, not what we wanted. This is where the power of the slice index comes in. It intelligently replaces the selected items. If we want to turn those middle items into 2 failed tags, while keeping the outer statuses as they are, we can. Let's try a different example. We'll use hold so the change is crystal clear. Hold and hold 2. Now, think about what happens if I set the slice to start at the and end at the. Will it replace one item or both? Or will it insert them without removing anything? Notice we have pending twice. Running this, check out the magic. It actually inserted hold and hold 2 at the start. We're right back at the beginning of the list. But to perform a true replacement, we must include the index, like index 1 here. Now when we run it, we get exactly the intended output. We can even swap it for something else, like pending 2 to make it obvious. See? It replaced pending with both hold and hold 2. Using this method, you have total control over your data. You can swap those items instantly. It's as simple as this. If you want to inject data right before the failed status, just select the right slice position. If you found this Python slicing power tip useful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more.